Hey guys, we're here in Atlanta, and I have, of course, 3 packs. They're all the right way. Crimson Invasion to hunt for some Gary D. So I'm going to find 3 different places to open these packs, and hopefully we'll find it. So we're at this observation deck on top of our hotel. It's the Western, and you can see this view out here. There's the Mercedes-Benz Stadium out there and all this stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up here and see if I can get a Gary D. Because that's what I want. So, let's see, we'll leave that in there. Put that in my pocket. Alright. A Darkness Energy. Counter Catcher. Staravia. A Grumpig. My glasses are falling down. Spoink. Landed, a Mankey, Cubone, Execute, a reverse rare Regice, that's cool, and although Aggron. Not too bad. On to the next place for the next pack. Is it doing video? Okay. So now we're up on this Ferris wheel, and I got another one. I'm going to see what I can get in here. And we're looking out. Now look at them rings out there. Like, this is crazy up here. I think we're stopping.
Oh, don't say that.
I think we did stop.
Okay, stop saying that. Oh, I don't like rocking.
So, let's see. In a Ferris wheel. Gotta load some more people. Got a Psychic Energy. A Peking Red card. And I hope y'all can see me because it's dark in here. A Grumpig. A Mawile. Aeron. And Dino. Staryu. A Pumpkaboo. Stuffle. So here's the reverse. Oh, a Cubone. Cute Cubone. And just a regular Komo-o. So now we'll go to the third location where I'll open the last pack. We're just back in the hotel. I was gonna do this somewhere really cool, but I don't feel like walking very far. So I got the last pack. We're gonna open up and hopefully get the Gary D. That's what I want. So let's see. Psychic Energy again. A Laron. A Psychic Memory. Mawile. Staryu. Jangmo-o. Phoebus. A Stuffle. A Chimeco. A reverse. Oh, another reverse rare. Miss Magius. And holy cow.
Did you find him?
I got one.
You found him. That's awesome.
Just had to come to Atlanta. So, but it's going to keep going because this is just one of the 3 I want. So, 1 down, 2 to go. I'll talk to you guys next time.